Fun Tail Kids.
Jumping on the grass. One rolled down and fell so fast. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruits rolling ahead. Four little fruits jumping up high. One bounced off and said, oh my. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruits jumping ahead. Fruits having some fun. One slipped down and started to run. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, be careful now, don't trip, my son.